Do you believe in prophecy?
Yes, yes, Papa.
You believe in prophecy?
Yes, Papa.
That's why I picked you out. I was looking at you, I saw an arrow. Because I'm talking to you now, there's a woman in the mortuary.
Yes, Papa.
There's a woman.
Yes, my mother is in mortuary now, sir.
Because there's a spirit of death. And that's why I picked you out of there. A spirit of death. This woman did everything. These are children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can you hear me? There were 9.
Yes, Papa.
They killed 1. They killed 2. They killed 3.
Yes, Papa.
She was protecting them, so they killed her. Teresa.
Yes, Papa.
Huh?
Yes, Papa.
Teresa.
That's my mother's name, sir.
That's your mother's name.
Yes, Papa.
What's Osigbeme?
That's my father's name, sir.
Osigbeme.
Yes, sir.
That's your father's name.
Yes, sir.
Please, I have a message for 2 people in your family. Give them this message. I have a message for Gladys. You know Gladys?
Yes, Papa.
Who is Gladys?
It's my mother's firstborn.
Your mother's firstborn.
Yes, Papa.
There's a spirit of marry, remarry.
Yes, Papa.
Marry, remarry. They marry, something will happen. They will lose the marriage. They'll marry somebody. It happened to Gladys. Happened to Anne.
Yes, Papa.
Who is Anne?
My mother's second born.
Second born.
Yes, Papa.
Tell them God will restore them. You. Wipe your tears. Everyone who knows or witnesses any kind of pattern, you've seen that pattern in your family, your mother, your father, your brothers, your sisters. In the name of Jesus Christ, the Son of God, that pattern is shattered. Is your name Paul? Philip?
My name is Philip. My father's name is Paul.
God said, tell him congratulations. You are preserved.